Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have white on my nails. I got this from Dollar Tree. It is the Kiss Gel Shine, and this is there is no name, but this is what I have on, and you can see it dries matte. So yeah, I wanted to do some kind of like a tie-dye, and the only tie-dye that I have plates are Maniology plates. So I wanted to use that, but I wanted more lines. So I think I'm gonna use this plate. This one right here. And this plate is Maniology X Nail Stamping Sisterhood M004. And I was gonna be stamping with She Modern, but I cannot find a metallic red that I want. So this is, let's see if I can, this red, it looks more like a copper red, and I want this kind of metallic red. So I'm gonna be going with this one, and this is not a stamping polish. This is a regular polish I got from Ross or Marshall's years ago. And then the blue, I did have metallic blue, but the metallic blue that I have, I think I have one, but I can't find it. I'm gonna go with the Wet n Wild blue, because this is the kind of color I want. Now, I don't think it's gonna be opaque enough, but it's metallic. So, and this one is called Saved by the Blue. Saved by the Blue. And then this one, Metallic Red. That's the name. Okay. So now we are going to stamp. And I don't know what color to start with. I'm gonna try the blue first. So this one, here's my clear stamper. Get my scraper. This one's kind of dirty, but it's okay. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. So this one's Saved by the Blue. And they did pick it up. And I'm stretching it out because my nail is long. With some blue down here. So that's it right there. And I'm gonna wipe that blue off with 100% acetone. See if I can get a paper. And also gonna clean my scraper. My son has the game Frozen on, so if you hear like a car sound, that's what that sound is. Okay, then we're gonna go with the metallic red. This one's thicker polish because it's probably older. And I think that's it. And then, I don't know, let's do another finger. I didn't want this video to be too long, so we'll just do one more. So it's the same process. Okay, do blue. And I think I got this Wet n Wild blue from Dollar General. And it's been a while. I think I got it for like 75 cents or something. Doesn't even look like tie-dye. Great. So that's it right there. And then we're gonna put the red. Had to touch my elbow or arm on that, and I got blue on my arm now. Okay, red. Wow. It doesn't look like tie-dye to me. So I'm gonna finish everything off, and then I'll be back to put top coat on top of it, and I will record that so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to top coat, and this is Posh top coat that I am applying. I need to refill this bottle because I'm getting low. Let me know what you guys think. And I put it on like this. I did not put nothing, no smear, so it is gonna be smeared, and I feel like it's gonna look awesome that way because it stretches out. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. zoom in so you guys see before, and then move this. Okay. And then go with the top coat. Whoops, hopefully that was in frame. And it is smearing because I'm dabbing my brush here, and you can see, but remember I didn't put no smudge free on, so that's the reason why it is smearing, and I want it to kind of smear so it can look, I guess, more tie-dye-ish. And I'm trying to load up my brush because my bottle is low. And I got this Posh a long time ago from,
Hey, Mom.
hold on, I'm recording, hold on. Okay, and let's do the pinky. Anyways, I was saying I got this Posh years ago from Amazon. I don't know if this is good enough light for you guys, because when I look at it, it's like dim. Trying to get all the redness and pink stuff off. Well, it's actually red, but you know what I mean. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this mani, but look it, you can see some of the red there. This is it, and let's see if I can zoom out. Let me know if you guys like this mani. I mean, if you don't, put a thumbs down, or you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Have a lovely day, and happy 4th of July. Have fun stamping away. God bless.